Kung ako walang idea how to start to become a social media manager, ito yung mga bagay na gagawin ko. 5 steps lang 'to, gawin mo 'to. First step, i-follow mo yung free resources ko. Because sa free resources, nandun yung dapat mong alamin bago ka kumuha ng client. Huwag ka munang kukuha ng client without you having a knowledge about what you are offering. Second step is manood ka ng YouTube. Sa YouTube, may mga playlist diyan. Sa mga playlist na yan, organized na yan, step by step, sunod-sunod na. Panoodin mo yun, tapusin mo yun. Third, i-apply mo yung mga natutunan mo. So, syempre, habang nanonood ka, mag-take down notes ka. And after nun, reflect to yourself kung ano ba talaga ang gusto mong gawin. Kasi, I want you to watch all of those resources at huwag ka munang mag-take action agad. And the fourth, diyan ka na mag-take action. Sa fourth, based on your notes, sa third, kailangan sa fourth, step by step mo na siyang i-achieve. So if you want to create your own account, let's say, dun sa notes mo, create an account to show up. O di mag-create ka na, dyan, step by step, i-take action mo na yan. And syempre, fifth, being consistent. Kahit gaano pa kahirap mag-show up, kahit wala ka pang nakikitang result, wala ka pang nakukuha ng client, still consistently showing up. I never get those multiple clients if titigil ako. I was a beginner as well. Wala akong experience, wala nga akong laptop nung nag-start ako eh. Cellphone lang ako nung nakukuha ako ng unang client. Pero I never stop applying, I never stop upskilling, I never stop. Consistent talaga ako mag-show up kahit sobrang doubtful na ako sa sarili ko na kaya ko ba 'to? And now, I am handling multiple clients and helping you guys get your first client as well. Those 5 steps, alam ko mahirap yan, pero lilima lang yan, kaya umpisahan mo sa isa. Message niyo ako free for you to get those free resources. Message ha, hindi comment.